2028, composed of 69 males and 244 females for the capping, badge investiture, and candle lighting ceremony. With your kind permission, may I respectfully request their confirmation to receive the caps and badges.
By virtue of the powers vested on me as the official representative or President Mr. Emmanuel A. Fiel, and as per the recommendation of the Dean of the College of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences, Mrs. Emalisa D. Ramirez, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements pertinent thereof, I, Minfa M. Adolfo, Corporate Treasurer, hereby confer on you qualified for cupping, badge investiture, and candle lighting. Congratulations!
Thank you. May we call on Mr. Roy Marvin O. Cabaluna to read the names of our male candidates for the badge investiture. May I also ask the Dean, Mrs. Emalisa B. Ramirez, and the following clinical instructors to come in front to help install the badges to the candidates. Mr. Jonelio Tagalog, Mr. Wawi Pua, Mr. Giovanni Inero, Mr. Alejandro Seniza, Mr. Michael Adrian Bandalan. And may we call on the following clinical instructors to come in front to help distribute the lamp. Mr. Lester Miguel Escasinas, Mr. Renny Arjan Maala, Mr. Clyde Aaron Banana, Mr. Antonio Romeo Isidoro, Mr. Ryan Angelo Bernardo, and Mr. Melcho Tranquilla.
Cupping and badge organized of class 2028. Avalos Roger Junior S. Kapalogan City Stop. Avi J.R. P. Isabel Layton. Adol Del Joseph M. Santiago Layton. Young Ken T. W. Bartos, Alvaro Seth Nathaniel T. Isabel Layton, Aurelio John Wayne S. Isabel Layton. Arisgan Russian Alexis C. Tabango Layton, Austria Stephen Clark M. Ormond City, Baguio John Lenson, Malongbon Layton, Velancio Jordan T. Ormond City, Bentulan John Patrick T. San Isidro Layton, Venezuela John Carl S. Maluyag Layton. Wayne G. Ormonde C. Carillo Derek John L. Sauler Nathan. Cartagenas Rodrigo III D.